How to fix 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500 LTZ B132503 error. In simple terms, your truck's control module is not getting enough voltage to work properly. Now, this can be caused by a number of symptoms. The most common one is a weak battery, low resting voltage, or it drops too much when starting. This is the #1 cause of this code. A bad alternator also, not charging properly, and a bad alternator can also make the voltage unstable. The third one is a bad ground or battery cables, loose terminals, corroded grounds, high resistance in cables, which is very common on GM trucks. Now, how you would check this is by using a multimeter. With the engine off, it should be about 12.6 volts. When it's cranking, no more than 10 volts, and while the engine is running, it should be between 13.7 and 14.7 volts. Now let's go to step 2, where you check the grounds. Battery negative to chassis, engine ground straps, and BCM ground points. Clean everything and tighten everything. If even with a good battery and a working alternator, this error still appears, you're better off just taking your truck to a proper electrician. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.